next, number 97. Which of the following is the unit of energy? Okay, so this is Pascal meter cube. Okay, Pascal meter cube. Kung i-check natin yan, so Pascal is Newton per meter squared. Okay, so multiplied by cubic meter. Okay, ano mangyayari? Cancel yung square meter, may matitirang isang metro. So mangyayari, Newton meter na lang yan. Okay, so Newton meter is the unit of energy, which is your joule. Okay, that is letter A. Okay. Next tayo, number 98. A train running 60 kilometers per hour decelerated at 2.5 meters per minute for 12 minutes. Okay? So, magde-decelerate daw siya. Okay, so yung ating A dito, this is negative. So, 2.5 meters per minute squared. Then, yung ating initial velocity, so 60 kilometers per hour. And yung time natin, so that is 12 minutes. Now, ito yung tanong. Find the distance traveled in kilometers within the period. So, hanapin daw natin yung ating S or yung distance travel. Okay, since may time na involved, so we will use your formula. S is equal to VOT plus 1/2 80 squared. Okay? Ayan. So, this is now equal to what? Okay, so this is now equal to 60 km per hour. Okay, convert lang natin yan into meter per second na lang. So, that is 1,000 meter in 1 kilometer multiplied by in 1 hour, 3,600 seconds. Okay, multiplied by yung time natin na 12. 12 minutes. Pero take note po, naka-minutes tayo dito. And yung nasa loob natin, dito, okay, naka-meters per second. Yan. So, anong gagawin lang natin? Convert yung ating time. So, this is multiplied by in 1 minute. This is 60 seconds. Ayan. So, ano mga magka-cancel dito? Sa unang term natin, kilometer, hour at saka hour, minute at saka minute. We have also seconds at saka seconds. So, leaving meter as the final unit. Plus, okay, 1/2 80 squared. So, 1/2 multiplied by deceleration. So, that is negative 2.5 meters per minute squared. So, since naka-minute squared na tayo dito, so, hindi na natin siguro i-convert pa yung time. Okay, kasi compatible na sila. So, that is multiplied by 12 minutes na quantity squared. Okay? So, ano mga magka-cancel dito sa pangalawang term? Minute squared at saka minute squared dito. So, what's now your S equal to in meters? So, this is 60 times 1,000 over 3,600 times 12 times 60 plus 0.5 times negative 2.5 times 12 squared. So this is 11,820 meter, or in kilometers, this is 11.82 kilometers. Okay, that is letter B. Okay, next tayo. Okay, last two items. So, a machine is under consideration for investment. The cost of the machine is 25,000. Okay? Yan yung in-invest natin. So, syempre, kapag mag-i-invest ka ng machine, so, inaasahan mo na kikita or may mag-generate ng income yung machine mo. Okay, now, ito yung na-generate niyang income. The machine will generate a savings of 15,000 pesos kada taon. Okay, 15K sa unang taon, pangalawang taon, 15K, and so on and so forth. Okay, walang sinabing time. Okay, now, what even an effective annual interest rate, okay, of I equal to 18% per annum. Okay, so what is the discounted payback period? So when we say discounted payback period, this is actually your end. Ilang taon ka kikita doon sa in-invest mo. Okay? Ilang taon ka kikita doon sa binili mong machine. Okay? So on the investment in this machine. Okay? So since N yung hinahanap dito, medyo crucial yung N. Take note po, yung summation natin dito, hindi po tayo pwedeng maglagay ng decimal. Okay, hindi sakto. Okay, hindi pwede tayo maglagay dito ng hindi sakto. Dapat ang ilalagay lang natin dyan, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot. Okay, mga whole number lang. Okay, so ang pinaka-remedyo natin dito is that of, okay, gamit tayo ng formula. Okay, so ito lang naman, last option lang. Okay, or pwede kayong pwede kayong estimate, okay, using your summation. Okay, so mahihirap kasi lalapit lang, okay, malalapit lang yung 2 point something. Etong 1.56, medyo malayo pa yan. Pero yung tatlo, malalapit yan. Okay, nasa under 2. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is that, gamit tayo ng formula. So, P is equal to A times the quantity, 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N. Okay, bracket na lang yung ilalagay ko dito. All over I. Okay? Ayan, para saktong-sakto yung makukuha natin dito. Okay? So, sige, natin? Try natin. So, this is 25,000 is equal to A, which is 15K. Multiplied by the quantity, 1 minus 1 plus I. So, 1.18 na lang ilalagay ko. Raised to negative N all over I, which is 0.18. O, shift solve tayo. Okay, makukuha natin yung N. So, what's your N equal to? 25K is equal to 15K multiplied by 1 minus 1.18 raised to negative X all over 0.18. Ayan. So, this is 2.155 years. Okay? That is letter C. Take note, malapit yan sa 2.333. 2.2333, di ba? Okay? So, letter C yung sagot. Okay, next tayo. Okay, yan ako lang po sa inyo, no? Yung formula natin, worst case scenario lang. Okay? Gamit lang tayo ng formula kapag mga ganitong problem. Worst case scenario. Okay, next tayo, number 100. So, a device produces 37.5 joules per cycle. Okay? So, there is 1 power stroke per cycle. Calculate the power output if the device is running at 45 RPM. Take note po yung power natin na formula. So, this is 2 pi NT. over 60. This is now in watts. Okay? Yung N natin, this is the speed in RPM. And yung ating T, so this is your torque, okay? But as you can see here, okay, so yung 37.5 joule natin, actually that's the torque, okay? So, ano po ba ang joules kasi? So that is Newton meter, tama po ba? 37.5 joule, that is Newton meter. Pero take note po, per cycle pa ang sinabi niya dito, okay? So, per cycle daw ito. May catch na per cycle kasi. So, yan. So, ano gagawin na natin dito? Okay, so take note po yung N naman natin given. So, that is 45 RPM. Wala tayong problem. Yung torque na lang yung problemahin natin. Okay, naka per cycle ka. So, take note po, in 1 cycle, okay, ilang ikot ba yan? Okay? So, in 1 cycle or isang ikot, so this is equal to 1 revolution or that is equal to 2 pi radians. Okay? So, why not na lang na maglagay tayo dito ng 2 pi or by unit analysis na lang. So, therefore, P now is equal to 2 pi multiplied by yung ating RPM, 45, times yung ating T. Okay, so this is 37.5 Newton meter. Wala na tayong problema dyan sa Newton meter. Yung per cycle na lang ang problemahin natin. So, multiplied by yung ating cycle. Okay? Take note po, in 1 cycle, so 2 pi radians po. Okay? So, since ad hoc unit ang radians, miski hindi ko na ilalagay yan. Okay? Ginawa ko na lang red. Okay? Miski matanggal tong radian na to, it doesn't matter. Okay? So, this is over 60. Okay? So, ano na po ang magka-cancel dito? Okay? So, yung ating cycle at saka yung cycle. Okay? So, makukuha na natin yung power in watts. What's your P now equal to? So, magka-cancel po yung 2 pi, no? Pati. Ayan. So, this is now 45 times 37.5 over 60. So, this is equal to 28.125 watts. And that's letter D. Okay, that ends our discussion sa ating SS1. So, sana'y marami kayong nakuha. So, up next po, EE, Electrical Engineering.